The world is changing faster than ever, and the old rules of money no longer apply. Are you still relying on just one source of income in an uncertain economy? Welcome to your ultimate gateway to navigating the future of finance and building a lasting wealth empire. At YieldVerse, we don't just talk about money, we show you how to make it work for you. From high-yield dividend stocks and fractional real estate to the explosive potential of AI-driven digital assets, we break down the most complex investing strategies into simple, actionable steps. Our mission is clear: to provide you with the blueprint for financial independence. Whether you're starting from zero or looking to scale your portfolio, we provide the insights you need to thrive in 2026 and beyond. The future of your wealth starts today. Don't get left behind. Join the YieldVerse community, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's unlock your financial freedom together. Welcome to the Verse. Welcome to your future.